Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today. Video. Friends, bird feeder are another lovely addition. Hanging a bird feeder encourages colorful birds to visit your garden. Watching birds eat and sing brings life and happiness to the outdoor space. With jam are a simple decoration that create a relaxing atmosphere. You can make them from shells, palm, wooden beads, or recycled material. Every gentle breeze produce peaceful sound and friends, viewers, a small sitting corner is perfect for relaxing. Place a comfortable bench or a pair of chairs with colorful cushions under a tree or near your favorite flower. Add a small table for books, tea, or coffees. If you like handmade crafts, cake, dye, garden decoration using natural materials, paint, chalk with flower, butterfly, or inspiration board, place them along with outside inside flower beds for a fun and personal set. So viewers, another creative ideas are using or watching candle planter. Fill them with colorful flowers and place them near your entries or beds beside a garden bench. This vintage style always attract attention. Wooden symbols, welcome message also add personality. Simple work like welcome, belong, or enjoy the garden create a friendly atmosphere. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next